We teamed up because we didn't know what we were doing, and I thought I was healthy, so I drank about 2 ounces a day. Not the amount an adult should drink, but we didn't know that in the beginning,
Right.
so I drank a little bit. And we just went about promoting it, loved the results. We were getting feedback-wise from other people, and a year goes by, and it's time for my annual checkup. So I went for the annual checkup and got quite a surprise. My doctor found a tumor the size of a honeydew melon on my ovary.
Wow.
And didn't know the content of it yet, but they did schedule a surgery because of the size of it. They were afraid it may burst and not knowing what's in it. So they did the surgery, and at that time they found out, yes, it was cancerous. I had ovarian cancer. It was clear cell carcinoma, which is a very aggressive form of cancer. But the good news to all of that, it was only stage 1. My oncologist said it should have easily been a stage 3 or 4. He couldn't quite figure it out. But when they were doing that surgery, they had to remove the tumor, but it was so impacted with my other organs that it burst. So now that tumor is spilled right back into the cavity. You can't mop up all those loose cancer cells. So it was highly advised to have chemotherapy. And if you know anybody who's ever gone through chemotherapy, that's not a pretty sight. So that scared me just as much as the cancer did. So after talking with one of the doctors, he recommended drinking as much juice as I could afford to drink. And I said, well, what would your wife drink?
There's a good one.
He says a bottle a day for the entire chemo treatment. So for 8 months straight, I drank a full bottle of juice every day, and it made a world of difference in my life while going through chemotherapy. And I had a really good comparison because I went on my chemo treatments with the same 3 ladies every 3 weeks. We all had ovarian cancer. We were all taking the same drugs, the same chemo drugs, but I was very different than them. My quality of life was much better. It minimized my side effects. I didn't experience the nauseousness, the bone pain that you get from the drugs, the fatigue. I mean, just all these different side effects. I wasn't experiencing them like they were. I just sat there and kept sipping my juice the whole time, and so finally they asked, what are you drinking? They thought I was the town wino, so they said, what are you drinking? And I said, it's a health beverage. It has xanthones in it that are very beneficial for the body. They all ordered it and liked the results as well.